In this video, I'll show you how to install Chromium from the command line on Ubuntu. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard. Now, before installing anything, it's a good idea to update your package list. Type the following command and press Enter. Sudo apt update. It may ask for your password. Type it in and press Enter. You won't see the password while typing. That's normal. Once the update is done, you're ready to install Chromium. Now type this command. Sudo apt install chromium-browser, press Enter. Again, it may ask for your password. The system will tell you how much space the installation will take. Type Y and press Enter to confirm. The installation will begin. It may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. When it's done, Chromium is installed. To open Chromium, you can either search for it in your Applications menu or type this in the terminal, chromium-browser. That's it. You've installed Chromium using the command line on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.